Here's what moved markets today.
Reports indicated an attack in the el-Mandeb Strait resulted in 6 fatalities, marking the first reported deaths in the Red Sea shipping corridor in over a year. The incident represents an escalation in regional maritime security concerns, affecting a critical global shipping route. Bitcoin traded within its recent $62,000 to $66,000 range, with derivatives market positioning reportedly showing increased options activity ahead of the upcoming Consumer Price Index release. Market participants appear to be preparing for potential volatility around the economic data release. The SEC has scheduled a Friday meeting to consider a tailored offering framework for digital assets, with the agency proceeding through its rulemaking authority independent of pending congressional legislation. The regulatory approach represents continued agency-level advancement on crypto market structure issues, alongside the separate legislative process. Asset manager BlackRock reduced the minimum threshold for in-kind Bitcoin conversions on its IBIT ETF from $25 million to $1 million, lowering the barrier for authorized participants to exchange Bitcoin directly for fund shares. The adjustment expands access to the in-kind creation and redemption mechanism for a broader range of institutional participants. Cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase received regulatory permission from Abu Dhabi's Financial Services Regulatory Authority, establishing an ADGM-regulated hub for tokenized securities operations. The approval extends Coinbase's regulatory footprint into the Middle East market for digital asset infrastructure services. Blockchain network Harmony is coordinating with exchanges to freeze funds following a reported unauthorized mint of approximately 4 billion ONE tokens, according to the company. The network is investigating the incident, with the scale of the reported unauthorized issuance representing a significant event relative to the protocol's existing token supply. Looking at this morning's price action as of 9:30 Central European Time, the market shows extraordinary positive asymmetry driven by a significant single-name move. Avail up 28.92%, an exceptional gain in data availability infrastructure, alongside Chainlink adding 4.14% and Near gaining 2.96%, with more modest strength in Oracle networks and Layer 1 smart contract platforms. On the downside, NIL leads decliners at 6.20%, continuing its recent pattern of volatility after last week's swings, with Babylon off 5.98% and ENSO declining 4.42%, mid-single-digit selling across zero-knowledge infrastructure, Bitcoin staking, and DeFi protocols. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index holds at 37, unchanged from yesterday, and remaining in the mid-fear range that has served as the primary consolidation zone throughout the recent recovery period. The stability occurs despite today's positive headline market structure, with sentiment showing limited responsiveness to Avail's outsized 29% gain, given the more moderate underlying conditions elsewhere. The index is now held at 37 for 2 consecutive sessions, following the 4-point pullback from 41 after last week's brief breakthrough above the neutral threshold. Market psychology appears to be stabilizing within the familiar 33 to 39 range, rather than continuing to deteriorate, though it remains 6 points below the neutral boundary that proved difficult to sustain. That's your daily market update. If you found this useful, give it a like and subscribe for tomorrow's briefing. See you then!